Hello everyone. In today's video lesson, we will learn something called break. Break function is used within a loop or a switch. Break is used to stop a program and exit if a condition is met. To do that, we're going to create a new project, console application, click go, C++, click next, and I'm going to name this project break. Click finish. On the left hand side, double click on sources, double click on main, and in main I'm gonna declare a loop and in this loop we're gonna declare a equals 0 semicolon a less than 11 semicolon a plus plus, and we're gonna increment from 0 to 10, and along the way we're gonna exit C out a end of line if a equals 0. I'm gonna stop at 5 so we can see what's happening. We're gonna break and exit the loop. And I'm gonna declare cin.get parentheses semicolon. I'm gonna click build and run, and we're gonna see how this program will work. It should stop at 5, and we're gonna exit with a message we are out of the loop. So build and run, and here we go. It's counting from 0 to 5, and once the condition 5 is met, we are out of the loop. We're exiting the loop.